This is probably one of the most exciting workflows for architects because you can turn a really rough, loose sketch into a presentation-ready image in a couple seconds. To turn a sketch into a render, let's head over to New Chat, create an image. Let's set the ratio to 16:9 and turn on thinking. Let's upload the image of our napkin sketch by clicking the plus icon, add photos and files. Here's the image of my napkin sketch. Now copy and paste the prompt that's linked in the description below and go ahead and fill in all of the brackets. Inside my brackets, I said that the weather should be bright, sunny summer day with soft clouds, warm natural light, subtle God rays, clean blue sky, crisp shadows, and calm inviting atmosphere. This prompt is actually slightly interactive. If you scroll down, you'll see, do you want to add more entourage? Y/N. This is asking you yes or no, do you want to add more entourage? I'm going to change this to Y so it adds entourage. Do you want to add more vegetation? I'm going to say yes. And do you want to add sketch lines to overlay the final image? This is a stylistic choice and the output is pretty cool looking, but for this tutorial, I'm going to leave it at no. After we filled in all the brackets, let's go ahead and click send. And here's the output from that prompt. If you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe down below if you want to see future content just like this. If you want to support the channel further, check out the Patreon. It's linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.